product. Now this is going to get pretty important here because now we're looking at the goals for our campaign. So look, everyone's going to have different goals for running Google Ads, depending on the type of business that you have. So let's just run through some of these here. Purchases. This is mainly going to be for people who are running some type of e-commerce store. So maybe you have a Shopify store and you're selling physical products or even digital products or services. Your goal is going to be getting people to buy your product. And then we have other types of businesses like if you really want leads. For example, if you're a marketing agency or a landscaping company or a plumbing company and you just want to get people, you want to get leads, you want to get their information so that you can give them a phone call or shoot them an email, that's going to be what your goal is there. And then phone call leads as well. And then there's other types of ads that we can be running. Maybe you want to get page views, you want to get some notoriety. That's going to be your goal there, kind of going on impressions or on brand awareness. And if we click on see more, we have other options as well for very specific things that we're looking for. Like if we want people to get directions for our business or we want signups for a newsletter. So here's all the options that we have. Now, for me, for this tutorial, my goal is going to be I want to get leads for my marketing agency, right? I want people to pay us to help them run ads, for example. Okay, so what I'm going to do is my goal is going to be I want people to submit a lead form. Don't worry though, if you have different goals, this tutorial is still going to be relevant to you. This is just one of the slight details here. So we're going to enter a URL that when someone actually reaches out and they submit that lead form that they're going to end up on. So I can create a custom domain on my website that I can send people to, sort of a thank you page or like a checkout page or something like that after they do that. And you can see that like when we click on purchases, where do we want them to go after they complete a purchase? We can decide that here. All right. And so if you don't have a specific landing page that you're sending people to after they fill out a form, you can also have the option of setting this up manually using a code after we create our first campaign.